So explain how you changed hands.
Yeah, so I had it in the palm hold, in like the regular palm, where my fingers are coming towards the front of the bird. And then I basically grab them with each foot with one hand, and then, I guess I put them all one back into one hand, turn it over. This is a reverse palm. Turn it over, put the wings underneath the tail, and then with my right hand I grab the left foot, and my left hand grabs the right foot. And I typically put the feet in between my index and my middle finger, and using my thumb and my index, I count the feathers from the base of the tail. And I count outwards, or inwards. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I always hold the feathers at the base so that I know that I'm not missing any growing feathers. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the right retrix. I bring the ruler in perpendicular to the tail, and I make sure with my fingers at the base that it's right at the base of the feathers. And then I flip it,